Nazir Montclair on Facebook. I'm moving out of state. I submitted my citizen form. I tried to change my address online, but it won't let me change it. What should I do?
Then fill out the AR-11 and mail it in.
Jody Ann Llewellyn on YouTube. My friend has been here in the U.S. for 4 years out of status and is placed in removal for June of this year. What should he do?
Contact a good lawyer. You know, whenever you put in removal, I mean, you got to go before an immigration judge. And when you go before an immigration judge, you gotta plead some relief. What is your relief? I don't know what your relief is. I don't know anything about this person. But relief falls into one of three general categories. One is my life's in danger if I go back home. So that would be some sort of asylum or Convention Against Torture or withholding of removal, something that you're in danger if you leave. Another relief could be I'm eligible for my green card today. Don't deport me. Look, I got the papers. I'm eligible right now. Give me my green card. I shouldn't be deported. Another form of relief is cancellation or removal. I've been here for 10 years. I'm a person of good moral character. It'd be a hardship to my family if I were deported. I mean, there's other things too, but that's generally your three options. So we would need to speak and see what works for you.
Okay, the Forrest family on YouTube. If a husband and wife is in the U.S. undocumented, what can they do to fix that? Both came on a came on a visa and overstayed.
It's one of those days with these questions.
Yeah, it is.
I overstayed on a visa, Uncle Brad. Take out your magic wand and tell me how I get a green card. I don't need a magic 8-ball anymore. What I need is a magic wand.
Yeah.
So the answer is yes. All right. So the question is, they overstayed their visa. Okay. So here's the formula. Abracadabra.
Oh gosh.
Abracadabra. Boom. See, I'm that good. No, I don't know. In all honesty, you need to have a consultation with me or a good lawyer. It doesn't have to be me. It could be anybody who knows what they're talking about. Sit down with them, see what equities you have, what you're eligible for, what you're not, and figure it out. I don't have, I'm good, but I can't just boom like that. Nobody can.
Segan Martins on YouTube. What is the difference between I-130 and I-730? Which form do I need to file for my spouse as a derivative to my asylum grant?
The I-730 is what you do.
Michael Smith on YouTube. My brother had a misrepresentation in his form but was emotionally abused in his marriage. What should he do?
File an abuse case and a waiver for misrepresentation.
Ritz and Ray on YouTube. Can my employer file for the PERM, PERM I-140 pending receipt of the approved 1797? I am an E2 dependent and my spouse already got the approval, but mine is still pending.
You can file an I-140 and adjustment simultaneously if you have the PERM approved already, if that's the question. Is that the question?
Yeah, she says,
right.
Can my employer file for the PERM I-140 pending receipt of approved 1797? So it doesn't seem like they received the PERM I-140 yet.
No, the PERM is from the Labor Department, so there is no I-797. So that's the labor application. After you get the labor application approved, you have to file an I-140 within 180 days of the approval of the PERM labor application. When you file the I-140, you get a receipt back. The receipt is the I-797. You could potentially, as an E2, because those priority dates are current, after the PERM is approved, file the I-140 and adjustment simultaneously. So I'm not fully aware of what she's asking, but that's the best I can answer. Thanks for watching. For more Bradshaw Live, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.